So I just wanted to share this case with you. It's a 40-year-old gentleman from Scotland. He had a previous FUE hair transplant and done abroad, and he was not happy with the way his hairline looks. You can see in these pre-op pictures here, he had misdirected FUE grafts that were going in the wrong direction. So these were growing sort of in the opposite direction to where they should have been growing, and the hairline was brought too far forward. It looked unnatural. So we removed these misdirected follicular unit grafts, and this was done with an FUE punch. This was done to soften his hairline and to re-establish and reconstruct a much more natural looking shape and density of hairline. These were the extraction points done, and this picture was taken immediately post-operatively. So we can remove follicular unit grafts that have been previously incorrectly inserted. So you can see here 2 years down the line, the hairline is looking nice and dense, nice and natural. And he's really happy with the results, which is always good news. And you can see we've really softened the hairline, got the direction much better, and really improved the situation from his misdirected or ill-directed FUE grafts that he'd previously had placed.